if I could take you back.
Lily's family planned a road trip from Washington State to help us with the house renovation, and they brought their family dog Mungus as well. Lily's family is staying with us for a week. We have a couple of projects to work on, such as deck renovation and Tesla charger installation, among others. We will also spend time with them, hosting a barbecue and going to the beach or park. After the week concludes, Lily's family will fly back to maximize their time with us, while Lily and I will embark on a road trip up to Washington to bring Mungus back home since she's too heavy to fly on an airplane. We're in the process of redoing our deck, so Lily is sanding. And of course Lily's parents are helping us out.
We won't go in. Oh, it's so fuzzy! Are you supposed to take this thing up? How did you get this thing to go in? What's going on? Yeah! 완전 잘 돼. Lily's dad is actually hooking up the Tesla charger for our garage. Lily's dad is super talented. He saw one of the technicians do it one time for his Tesla, and then now he's been doing it for his friends, and he's gonna do one for us. Wanna push? Yeah. Hey. No, don't throw your phone. Give it to me. Ready?
Yeah. Wow. Did you get my sound effects?
I sure did.
No.
수민아 너 이거 달아야 돼. 내가 어저께 얘기했지? Okay.
So this is our first smoking session. I only set it up, but Lily actually did everything.
Well, my mom did everything.
Oh, Lily and her parents. And take a look.
Oh, looks so yummy. We've got corn, sweet potato.
이거 다 먹으라고?
아직 안 됐어.
맛있어. 어떤 게 바베큐 닮은 건지 표시 안 나죠?
We're taking a family walk after dinner. It sure feels nice. Out walking around this area. Look how beautiful the sunset is. 멍구야 멍구.
Good job.
이거 먹으면 그것도 한 달은 되겠다.
What are we baking?
We're making chocolate chip cookies with almonds that Mom got from the side of the road.
Apparently they were local.
Local almonds.
Very local. We've got some almond, some
Baby one.
not almond. Nice. Okay, let's put them in. I would say 9 minutes.
Another way Lily's parents are helping out is by they're weeding the backyard. They've been doing so much for us. I'm so thankful for them.
There is a life I lead in this city. hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. Doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart beats so somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterlife,